In Lesson 7, we're going to learn the single paradiddle and the double paradiddle and how to read music in cut time. But we're going to start out with the single paradiddle. A right single paradiddle consists of 4 basic strokes: a right hand downstroke, a left hand upstroke, followed by 2 right hand taps. When you play paradiddles very fast, the 2 taps will just morph into a double stroke. The left would simply be the reverse. So I'm going to play this first example of a single paradiddle very slowly, and I'm going to really overemphasize the upstroke. It kind of goes like this. Here we go. Down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap. And there's your basic single paradiddle. Now I'm going to play them as quarter notes, eighth notes, and then 16th notes. The 16th notes will be a little faster. I won't say the stroke types when I get there. So here we go, paradiddles as quarters, eighths, and 16ths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap. Now you really need to make sure you master those stroke combinations in the paradiddle to develop flow and speed. Now I'm going to jump down to exercises 2 and 3, and I will say the stroke types as I play. So here is exercise number 2 with a click. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, tap, tap, down. Down, up, tap, tap, down. Down, up, tap, tap, down. Up, tap, tap, down. Up, tap, tap, down. Down, up, tap, tap, down. Down, up, tap, tap, down. Down, up, tap, tap, down. Up, tap, tap, down. Up, tap, tap, down. Okay, here is exercise number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, tap, tap, down. 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 Up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap, down, up, tap, tap. Now, here's exercise number 4, which incorporates 16th notes. I'm going to play exercise number 4, goes along pretty quick, so I won't say the stroke types this time, just watch really closely. Here's exercise number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have some nice single paradiddles. Now we're going to learn the double paradiddle. A double paradiddle simply adds 2 more strokes to the single paradiddle, making it 6 strokes total. A right-hand double paradiddle would be a right-hand downstroke, a left-hand tap, a right-hand tap, then a left-hand upstroke, followed by 2 right-hand taps. You just reverse that for the left-hand double paradiddle. Again, it's very important that you learn this rudiment using the proper stroke types. Here are a couple of double paradiddles. Down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap. And there's your basic double paradiddle. Now I'll play the exercise with 8th note double paradiddles and 16th note double paradiddles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap. Down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap. Like I said about the single paradiddle, you really need to make sure you master those stroke combinations in the double paradiddle to develop flow and speed. Now I'm going to play exercises 1, 3, and 4. Here we go. Exercise number 1. 1, 2, 3. Down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, 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 down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap. Okay, here we go. Exercise number 3. 1, 2, 3. Down, tap, tap, up, tap, tap. 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 And now exercise number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that exercise ended with some big full strokes. So again, if you want to develop really smooth, fast paradiddles, master those stroke types. Now we're going to move on and talk about cut time. And cut time is used primarily for music in a 2-feel, like a march or a show tune, 2 beats to the bar, and literally cuts the value of every note in half. You'll count it in 2, and a half note receives 1 beat. If you look at the example in the news flash, there's a breakdown of how this works. In cut time, quarter notes are counted 1 and 2 and eighth notes are counted 1E and a 2E and a. So cut time is basically kind of a musical shorthand for tunes with 2 beats to the measure. Now on the bottom half of page 49, we show you some rhythms written in cut time and their equivalent in 2/4. So I'm going to start with exercise number 2 written in cut time, and it's counted 2 beats to the bar. Here we go, exercise number 2. 1, 2, 1E and a 2 and 1 and 1E and a 2 and 1 and. Now here's exercise number 3. 1, 2, 1E and 2 and a 1, 2 and 1E and 2 and a 1, 2 and. Now exercise number 4. 1, 2, 1E and a 2 and 1E a 2. 1E and a 2 and 1E a 2. Little syncopation there in that last exercise. Now particularly in your band music, you're going to see a lot of marches written in cut time. And it's a really cool way to play music with 2 beats to the bar. So now we're going to go over to page 50, and I'm going to play some paradiddles and rolls in cut time. And the first thing I'm going to play is catiddles, which is single and double paradiddles in cut time. I'll count 2 beats. Here we go. 1, 2. There's catiddles. Now, some of the rolls you've learned are the 5, 9, 13, and 17 stroke rolls. Look at our example in cut time with all of the note values cut in half. A 5-stroke roll is notated with a quarter note tied to an accent. A 9-stroke roll will be a half note tied to an accent. A 13-stroke roll is a dotted half note tied to an accent, and a 17-stroke roll will be a whole note tied to an accent. All of these rolls are notated with 3 slashes. Now I'm going to play fresh cut rolls to demonstrate some rolls in cut time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this lesson, we've learned single and double paradiddles and how to read in cut time. Don't forget there are more exercises for paradiddles and reading in cut time in the addendum.